Good morning, class. Okay. Today we start elementary particles. Okay. Elementary particle. We start directly. Elementary particles. Okay. We describe on the basis of on the basis of on the basis of first mass, second spin, third interaction. That is interaction. Okay, we see under these three topics on the elementary particle. Okay, overall electron, proton, photons. Okay, antiparticles, antineutrino, photons, gravitons, leptons, baryons, all are the elementary particles. Okay, we see one by one. This topic is very easy and this topic is very important for your exam point of view. So be prepared. Okay, no any descriptive part are asking regarding this elementary particle, only for the objective question are making in your competition exam. Okay, so be prepared and be carefully. Okay, if any doubt then ask me. Okay, we start elementary particle. We see under three objects. First, on the basis of mass, on the basis of spin, on the basis of interaction. Clear? Okay, elementary particles are divided into two parts. How many parts? Okay, two parts. First is boson. First is boson. Okay, second is fermion. Second is fermions. Second is fermions. Don't write in your copy. Okay, you concentrate here on the blackboard. Okay, this video lecture already provided in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so you concentrate on this board. Okay, we divide elementary particle first boson, second is fermions. Okay, boson is integral spin. Boson is spin, integral spin. What do you mean by integral spin? That means S is equal to 0, 1 and so on and infinity. Clear? Boson is based on Bose-Einstein statics. What? Bose-Einstein statics. Okay? First point is clear, integral spin. Second point, Bose-Einstein statics. Okay? Third point is wave function. Wave function is symmetric. Wave function is symmetric. Wave function is symmetric. And one important property of boson is boson follows the Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay? Yes or no? No. Okay? Boson does not obey Pauli's exclusion. Clear? And number 4, that means does not obeys Pauli's exclusion principle. Clear? The property of boson: first, integral spin; second, follows the Bose-Einstein statics; third, wave function is symmetric; and Pauli's does not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, Now come to the fermion. First topic, just opposite integral spin, that means half integral spin, half integral spin. That means S is equal to, S is denoted as a spin. Okay, S is 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and so on. These are the integral, half integral spin. Okay, second point is what? Bose-Einstein, same. Fermi-Dirac statics. Clear? Number third, wave function is anti-symmetric. Wave function is what? Anti-symmetric. Number four, obeys the Pauli's exclusion principle. This point is clear? Clear? Boson, number one, integral spin. Second, Bose-Einstein statics. Third, wave function is symmetric and does not obey the Pauli's exclusion principle. Fermion, half integral spin, follows the Fermi-Dirac. Number third, wave function is anti-symmetric and follow the Pauli's exclusion principle. Four point is clear. Elementary particles are divided into two, boson and. Now come to the tree. Okay, boson are divided into two parts. First is massless boson. Clear? Massless boson. And second is meson. Boson are divided into two parts. First is massless boson, second is meson. Okay, under this massless boson are again divided into two parts. Okay, again divided into two parts. First is photon, second is graviton. First is photon, second is graviton. First is photon and second is graviton. Okay, spin of photon is S is equal to 1 and spin of graviton S is equal to 2. Clear? And meson is divided into three parts. Okay, how many parts? Three parts. First is kaons, second is pions and third is eta. Kaons, pions and eta. Okay, kaons and pions and eta. Okay, pions, that means pi, denoted as pi, that means plus, minus and 0. Okay, first pions. One, two, three. Pi plus, pi 0, pi minus and pi plus. 0, minus and pions. And kaons, k 0 and k plus. Eta, single, eta 0. Clear? Confusion? No confusion? Clear? meson are divided into three parts: kaons, peons, eta. Eta is single, peon is triplet, and kaon is double. Okay, if we classified first, second, and third, but sequence is this. Okay, kaons k0 and k plus peons pi 0, pi minus, pi plus, eta 0. That means singlet particle. Okay, the boson particle are completed. Boson part is completed. Any doubt? Continue. Okay, fermions are divided into first is leptons. First is leptons. Clear? Second is baryons. Baryons are divided into two parts. First is nucleons and hyperons. Okay, hyperons. No, this is video lecture. We not commit. There are so many students are seen and watch this video. Okay, so don't. Okay, after this recording, we explain. Okay, baryons are divided into two parts. First is nucleon. Second is hyperon. Nucleons. That means nucleons N and P. Okay, nucleons under the nucleus, neutron and clear. These are classified P antiparticle, N and N. Okay, hyperons are divided into how many parts? Okay, so now continue lepton, then we see hyperon. Okay, leptons, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, E minus E mu tau. Remember in previous lecture, E mu tau. Okay, you remember three things, then known all the particles, total 12 particles. Under this lepton, we are understand total 12 elementary particle under this lepton. So firstly you remember E mu tau, E mu tau, E minus, mu minus, tau minus. Now antiparticle nu E, nu mu, nu tau. Again antiparticle E minus, that means E plus, mu minus, mu plus, tau minus, tau plus. Okay, and antiparticle of this E bar, mu bar, nu tau bar. Clear? So don't remember 12 things, you remember only 3 things: E mu tau, E mu tau, E minus, mu minus, tau minus. Okay, 3 things is clear. Then continue with the antiparticle of this nu E, nu mu, nu tau, and just antiparticle of this complete. Clear? That means this is electron and this is Electron and okay. Clear? Any doubt? Clear? N0 and N0 part. Okay. Okay. So last thing is hyperon. Hyperon. Clear? हाइपरॉन यहां पर बनाते हैं हाइपरॉन. ठीक है, यहां पर फोकस करो उसको. क्लियर? हाइपरॉन्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू okay. Hyperons are the part of baryon. That means all these particles are following these four properties. Okay, clear? That means half integral spin. That means S is equal to 1/2, 3/2 and so on. First point. Second, follows the Fermi Dirac. Okay. Third, wave function is anti-symmetric. And number 4 follows the Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay. Now these hyperons are divided into, video is clear? How many parts? 4 parts. First is sigma. Second is cascade. And third is omega. And last is lambda hyperons. Okay. Hyperons are divided into 4 parts: sigma, cascade, omega and lambda. How many? Sigma, cascade, omega, lambda. Again, sigma is divided into first sigma plus sigma minus sigma 0. Clear? Cascade are divided into 2 parts, only minus and 0. Okay, minus and 0. Clear? Omega is divided into only 1, omega 0. Okay, and last lambda single. Okay, lambda 0. So this is your elementary particle. Okay, and last time repeat starting to ending. Okay, so be prepared. Remember here. Okay, this question is very, very important and I 100% sure to get in your exam. So be prepared to get 8 marks. Okay, elementary particle on the basis of mass, spin and interaction. Okay, including these 3 things: mass, spin and interaction. Elementary particles are divided into 2 parts. First is boson, second is fermion. Bosons, the following property of the boson is: first, integral spin S, that means 0, 1 and infinite. Second, boson follows the Bose-Einstein statistics. And third, wave function is symmetric and does not follow the Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, Bose-Einstein again divided into two parts: massless boson, meson. Massless boson and meson. Massless boson, that means photon and graviton. Photon and graviton. Photon and graviton. The spin of photon is 1 and the graviton 2. Clear? Clear? Now come to meson. Meson are divided into three parts: kaons, pions and eta. Kaons, pions and eta. Kaons are divided into two parts: 0 and plus. Pions are divided into three parts: 0, pi 0, pi minus and clear. Eta single particle, eta 0. Complete Bose, that means boson. Okay, now come to the fermions. Fermions are divided, fermions follows this property: first, half integral spin. Second, follows the Fermi-Dirac statistics. Okay, wave function is anti-symmetric and follow the Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, fermions are divided into two parts. First is lepton, second is baryons. Lepton and baryons. Okay, lepton is starting, you know, only three particles: E, mu, tau. E, mu, tau. E minus, mu minus, tau minus. Okay, then antiparticle of this nucleon: nu, nu E, nu, mu, nu, tau. Total 6. Now complete antiparticle of this. Okay, E minus, E plus, mu minus, mu plus, tau minus, tau plus, nu E bar, nu mu bar, nu tau bar. 12 is clear? Clear? Second part is baryons. Baryons are divided into, first is nucleon, second is hyperons. Nucleon and hyperion. Nucleons P and N minus and N0, because this is neutron. Okay, now come to the hyperons. Hyperons are divided into four parts. First is sigma, cascade, omega, lambda. Clear? Sigma are divided into, second, cascade, and omega, and last. Okay, clear? घुमाओ वीडियो. देखो इतने लोग आज अटेंड किए थे पूरा. ठीक. एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल्स? हाई बाय करो रे, तुम लोग पूरा यूट्यूब में आओगे. हाँ हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छा गाती है सिंगर. ओके, एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल? कंक्लूड. चलिए, थैंक यू क्लास.